So in this video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial doing this eyeshadow look using the Caliente palette by Artist Couture. I just received this in the mail about a day ago, and I was just really excited to get something that is totally against the grain of winter, like season eyeshadow neutral palettes. It's very hot, it's very, very fiery, and I'm here for it. This is my ode to I miss summer eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, keep watching. of all, let's get into this freaking packaging. This is just so juicy and so fiery and so buttery and like glistening. It's like there's a lacquer over it. I've already dulled it a little bit with my fingerprints, but as you can see, it comes very shiny and sleek. Not unlike the larger Supreme Nudes Artist Couture palette, which I never reviewed. This is a cool toned neutral shadow palette. This one I believe was about $40-$45, and this one retails for $30. I really appreciate this palette right now because I really miss summer. So all of these shades are, you know, nothing to do with, you know, nudes or neutrals. This is all very fiery, very spicy, very carnival ready shades in this palette. I really enjoyed doing this look. I didn't really know how it was gonna go because I felt like it was getting a little muddy at some times, and there were a few shades that I was surprised at the way they turned out. Some good, some unexpected, and some pleasantly surprising. So the Couture color, this one right here, it appears to be yellow, but it's not meant to be highly pigmented. It worked out really well on my skin tone as a transition shade more than an actual like primary shade. This pink color, as you can see, like there was so much pigmentation from this. So the yellow one is Couture, and then the pink one is Vibras. And then I tried to use Fuego. I don't know if you could see on the inner corner of my lid. That one didn't come out as orangey as I thought it would, but it does show up and it creates a beautiful kind of gradient with the rest of the eyeshadow look that I really liked. I swore I was gonna make this color right here, Roomba, the lid color, but on top of the pink, it wasn't giving me the oomph that I needed. So I believe Mangorita, this color right here, I thought this was gonna be some dull yellowish gold shimmery color. This color right here really came through as the primary lid color. I think this is just so beautiful. Sensual was really good, I believe, in the outer third as part of the transition. And then finally I put Brillo in the inner eye corner part. And the other color that I liked right away was Mamacita. That's this fiery reddish color that you see right here on the very outer third. That is just brilliant. So I mean, this is not necessarily a palette that I feel like anyone needs unless you really, really love these hot, fiery colors like I do. And I was just so drawn to this packaging because, as you know, orange and orangey red is my jam. So this is just so like energizing just to receive this palette, just to look at it. Look at this, look at that. It starts out orange at the hinge here, and then it shifts over into a gradient of orangey red. I mean, the packaging for me is like a third of the appeal of this palette, but the shadows themselves are actually really, really lovely, very highly pigmented and blend together really well on the lid. I love it. I mean, if you love colors like this, I would absolutely recommend purchasing. It is hot and fiery, energizing, really reminiscent of Carnival and the Caribbean and the Latin Caribbean islands. I freaking love it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you in my next video soon. Bye.